I recently did a ladders presentation showing ladder safety, and I thought it would be fun to add these little guys falling off ladders when they didn't follow the safety rules. I thought it would be pretty simple, but what I found out was that it didn't work quite the way I thought it would. I thought that if I just did a downward arrow that it would look the way I wanted it, but what I found was when I played it, it looked like he was on a pogo stick and falling into a manhole. So I played around and I tried placing the ladder at different angles and then having the first one disappear and then the next one appearing all the way to the bottom, but it was a little more what I wanted, but I didn't like the way it faded in and out, and I wanted it to look smoother. So I went back to what I did in the first one with the straight fall, and I ended up adding a spin to it. So I made it go with the previous. I made it fast, counterclockwise, and I did it in 80 degrees. So now when I play it together, it moves a little more like a ladder does, and it pivots from the base of the ladder. But my prototype with this one taught me something else that I used later on in it, which was I've got this little guy here, and the rule is not to put a ladder up against anything breakable, obviously. And what I did with him was I've got two windows, one that's broken and one that's not, and I just had place the non-broken window on top and just had it disappear and have the broken one appear, and then just moved his hat up for a surprise. So anyways, I hope that will help somebody.